Babaeng walang pahinga. Magdalena. Meron bang makakain dyan na masarap?
Siguro. Hindi naman basta pwede mo kakain eh.
Yung kakaiba.
Ay, no.
Yung kakaiba. Nahihiya ako.
Pares tayo. Gusto ko sabi ko kayo. Ito na naman tayo. Puro na lang sa...
Baka merong bilihan dyan ng... Yung turo-turo meron.
Tagalit ko ba?
Sabihin mo kay Lilibet. Lilibet mo, baka nandito na kami. Look, Tem Cafe. This one. How about that one? Ay, puto na yung isang labanan. Can you open the umbrella?
Umbrella, yeah.
Can you open for me? For us?
Can you hold this one for you?
By yourself.
Kina mo.
Gago.
Sige.
Ay, ano to? Gusto mo magkape?
I want ramen, I want Korean.
I wanna drink coffee. The coffee then.
Starbucks. I don't want coffee. I just want Starbucks in it.
Oh my goodness. My friend
Yes,
wants
your
Starbucks.
Because I want Starbucks.
She wants Starbucks.
Yes.
She is so feeling.
No, I'm not feeling. I just want the days in the Starbucks.
Feelingera.
Ina mo ka.
She
I
is
want the
feelingera.
original flavor. I want the Starbucks right now.
Welcome to Ampoa.
Here, hold this one first. And
Why?
then I'm gonna take my phone because I need to show my I am one of them.
I want to pee. Where's the toilet?
Being
Ah,
the
maybe this one. Tea? You want tea? Tea? Coffee or me? Here? Oh my gosh. Hello everyone. Nandito tayo sa Wampoa. Sinamahan ko yung aking friend. Hindi may bibilin siya dito. Ayan. At maulan guys. Sobrang maulan talaga.
payong ang sinasabi ko
Ay!
naman.
Yung payong ba? Saan tayo?
Ano pagkain? Ay, doon. May milk tea din doon. Sus, ganun pa rin.
Ayun, ang tinapay.
Gusto mo milk tea?
Sige. Tayo. Saan?
Gusto ko sa ano? Chowking. May chowking dito?
Agad.
Oh, libre kita. Get all you can.
Saan yung MTR? Dito ba? Asa yung CR? Baka may CR dyan. Hi! Video time. Nag-aantay kami ng MTR. Anong kuha yan?
Yes, hello.
Anong bread? Video to, video.
Oo, ano kung video? Di ba ako pwede mag-smile?
往調景嶺，列車即將到達，請先讓車上乘客落車。
前往島景嶺的列車即將到達。